How to use Temu Credit. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Temu on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the product you want to buy. After you're in this page, add your address, and while selecting your payment method, you will find credit option. You can simply click on the card and select your credit card. And if there is option for your credit card to use credit and pay later, you can do that. You can also find PayPal later. As you can see, paying for interest-free payments, it's like down payment, and after that you can pay the whole thing, or it will cut your credit after you receive the purchase. And in this way you can use Temu Credit. This is how to use Temu Credit. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.